Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a battle of the processors, the Intel Core i5-12600K and the AMD Ryzen 5-5500. It's Intel versus AMD, the heavyweight bout of the tech world. Grab your popcorn and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: price. The Intel Core i5-12600K comes in at a cool $342. Ouch, that's the kind of price that makes your wallet scream. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is a much more wallet-friendly $159. At that price, you could buy TWO and still have change for a decent meal. Reviewers note that the Ryzen 5500 offers great value for its price, making it ideal for budget builds. Now, let's talk performance. The Intel Core i5-12600K boasts a Deca-core 10-core 3.70 GHz processor with hyper-threading, turbo boost, and even integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics. It's like a Swiss Army knife of processors. It does everything. Reviewers have praised it for its significant performance boost, cool running temperature, and stability. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is more modest in its specs, but still delivers solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. Reviewers appreciate its reliability and good performance for its price point. When it comes to compatibility, the Intel Core i5-12600K fits snugly into Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. It's like finding the perfect pair of jeans. It just fits. The AMD Ryzen 5500, however, is a bit more versatile, fitting into a variety of motherboards, but you might need to check compatibility details before making a purchase. Reviewers have noted the ease of installation for both processors, but some have mentioned needing to flash the BIOS for the Ryzen 5500. Let's talk power efficiency. Intel's 7 architecture on the Core i5-12600K promises improved performance per watt. It's like having a sports car that runs on the fuel efficiency of a hybrid. Reviewers have praised its low heat and stability, even under intense stress tests. The AMD Ryzen 5500 also performs well in this category, requiring less power and running efficiently, akin to a reliable old car that just keeps going. Reviewers highlight its good performance with stock cooling and low temperatures. And finally, let's talk about cache. The Intel Core i5-12600K has a whopping 16 megabytes of L3 cache. It's like having a super-fast butler who knows where everything is in your house. Reviewers have noted its ability to handle numerous tasks simultaneously with ease. The AMD Ryzen 5500, with its 16 megabytes of L3 cache, is more like having a helpful roommate. It gets the job done, but might require a bit more effort. Reviewers have mentioned its good performance in budget builds, despite some limitations in RAM speed and PCIe connectivity. The Intel Core i5-12600K is highly praised for its performance, stability, and efficiency, making it a powerhouse for gaming and productivity. Reviewers highlight its significant performance boost, cool running temperature, and overclocking capabilities. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is celebrated for its affordability, reliability, and solid performance in budget builds. Reviewers recommend it for gaming and everyday tasks, noting its excellent value for money. So there you have it, folks. The Intel Core i5-12600K is the powerhouse with all the bells and whistles, but it comes at a cost. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 5500 is the budget-friendly option that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, buy smart and stay savvy. Product links are in the description.